Jeep is just awesome, folks. Now, the Jeep 4xe charging station on 3 popular off-road trails is going to be opening soon. Now you don't have to worry about running out of battery juice on an off-road. Now, electrification is inevitable, even if automakers won't normally associate with electric vehicles. Now, going were the days where the electric vehicles were seen as stale and unexciting machines. Even a vehicle as robust, as tough as the Jeep Wrangler now has an electrified model that was introduced last year. And quite honestly, it is epic. And I remember watching a commercial where they were bringing out the 4xe during the time of the introduction of the Bronco. And it was epic just seeing it in the wilderness. And it was no noise, disturbing nothing. And just everything about it was just awesome and fantastic. Now, the Wrangler 4xe plug-in hybrid has a problem. It has received a disappointing all-electric range from the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency. Now, the off-roader can only solely be in battery mode for 21 miles compared to the expected 25 miles, which is quite surprising. Now, to solve this problem, Stellantis has announced that it will be putting up charging stations on the trailhead of 3 popular off-roading sites, namely in Moab, Utah, the Rubicon Trail, and Pollock Pines, California, and Big Bear in California. Now, the charging stations will be located near the Jeep Badge of Honor trails, which were created in cooperation with Electrify America and expected to open this spring. Now, these stations will either be directly connected to the power grid. Now, images suggest that you can use also solar power to generate electricity, as you can see in this image. Now, the Jeep 4xe owners will need to log in via a custom mobile app by Electrify America to unlock free charging. Now, the app also will allow owners to initiate and monitor the charging session. Now, if you're thinking about installing the charging station on trailheads, it's a good thing as hikers who will park their Jeep 4xe and will hike can benefit from the extra juice solely fed into the battery of their plug-in hybrid. Now, the trailhead charger is going to deliver up to 240 volts charging, which can fully charge the Wrangler 4xe 17 kilowatt hour battery pack in around 2 hours. Now, apart from the trailhead charger, the Jeep 4xe charging network is expected this year, with the locations to be announced in the future. Let's take some look at these images. I mean, this is just epic, folks. And the good thing is that it's a hybrid. So having 21 miles of charge is really it's a hybrid. So what do you expect? And it's definitely nice, man. The Jeep is awesome. This is Automotive Reviews. Thanks for watching. Remember, like, share, and subscribe. Hi, this is Bruce from AO Automotive Reviews, encouraging you to subscribe, to like, and to continue watching these videos. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to putting out a lot more great content. Thanks for watching and subscribing. Much love. Peace out.